Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be telling you guys all about how I got Scrum Master certified and how you can get Scrum Master certified and everything you need to know about the process, the training, the exam, and yeah, let's just get started. So for context, I took the Scrum Master certification course and exam about 2 months ago, so everything is still fresh in my memory. I took a weekend course and I passed on my first try, so definitely doable. So what is the Scrum Master certification? The Scrum Master Cert is just a certification that you completed a Scrum Master training course and proved that you extracted all the knowledge from that through taking an exam. There's so many Scrum Master certifications out there, but I think the one that's most widely recognized and the one that I took is the one by Scrum Alliance. So the Scrum Master training mostly focuses on agile, Scrum framework, stakeholders. So if you're a project manager or if you're a Scrum Master in your team, the Scrum Master Cert is definitely for you. It's honestly a pretty easy training and easy certification. So speaking of the certifications, there is one by the Scrum Alliance, and of the Scrum Alliance, they actually have multiple Scrum Master certifications. There is the most basic one, which is the Certified Scrum Master. There's also the Advanced Certified Scrum Master. There's also the Certified Scrum Professional Scrum Master, and then there's like a Scrum Master Coach equivalent. But I did the most basic one, which is the Certified Scrum Master. For me, that is enough, and I think for most of you, unless you guys really want to become the master of Scrums, the most basic one should be just perfect for you guys as well. So next we're going to dive into why you should get Scrum Master certified. Nowadays, a lot of companies require or would like people to have Scrum Master certifications, if not PMP certifications. So if that's something you're looking for in career change or getting a promotion or just something helpful in your career path, then the CSM would be really helpful for you. Regardless, this training is really good to learn about leadership skills, managing teams, and just how to have the best kind of meetings. So in regards to how to get certified, all you guys need to do is find a course. These courses can be in person or online, and they just have to be through a verified trainer. And these courses have to be, I think, 14 to 16 hours of instruction. So there's so many courses available, and there's a lot of different types of courses that you can do. They can be Monday through Friday, they can be weekend courses, they can be morning classes or night classes or whatever. There's just so many different options. Me personally, I did the weekend option, so it was Saturday and Sunday, and it was from 8 to 5 on both days. And then after I finished my last day of instruction on Sunday, I just took the exam right after the class ended. So I just finished the whole thing in a weekend, and that's what the trainer recommends you to do, just because that's when the knowledge is most ingrained in your head, just right after class. So that's something that I highly recommend you guys to do as well. Unless you're very unconfident that you'll pass, then take the time to study. It's fine. In terms of choosing your trainer, I actually reached out to a coworker who recently took this certification, and he recommended a trainer to me. I think his name was like Giora Moraine, and so I just typed up his name on the Scrum Alliance website and I found his courses, took the weekend class, and he boasts like a 95% pass rate. So I was really happy about that because I want to make sure that I have a trainer that can train me so I can pass the certification. So the price of the exam can be pretty expensive. They run from $700 to $1,300, and some of those don't even include the administration fee, which is like $100 for the exam. My course was having like a promotion, and so it was only $500. Also, it was comped by my company, so you guys should all ask your company if they can sponsor your training and your exam fee. So it was $500, and it was inclusive of them signing me up for the exam and my exam fee. So it was like a really, really great bundled deal, and I hope you guys all find something similar. I'll link below the trainer that I use. I don't know if his price will be the same, but he was really great and I really enjoyed it. So about the actual Scrum Master exam, the exam is a 60-minute exam. There's 50 questions. There are multiple choice questions, and it's open note. It is open note. Open note also means you can look up the questions online. We don't advise for that. We want you to use your notes. And the reason for that is because in the 60 minutes, it's hard to Google search all the questions and the answers. And yeah, I think it's much easier to do a control find in your notes if they're on like a Google Doc. But again, it's really easy. You only need to get 37 questions right out of 50 questions, and it's multiple choice and it's open note. Highly, highly think that there's a high chance of everyone passing. training. My trainer offered that if you didn't pass on your first try, he will train you. He will personally tutor you one-on-one until you pass. I think that just shows the confidence he has in his training and to the ability for everyone to pass this exam. My personal take on it is that everyone can pass this exam. It's not a super difficult exam. It just takes time to do the training, and then you just have to concentrate for that 1 hour just to make sure you get the questions right. The only thing I want to mention is that the class can be extremely tiring because I signed up for an online class, and although the teacher was very engaging and funny and had lots of great dad jokes and stuff, it was still very physically difficult just to sit through class 8 hours a day, Saturday and Sunday, after working a full week from Monday through Friday. I was definitely burnt out and exhausted by the end of the week. So in terms of value, I definitely think the course and exam is expensive, but if you can get your company to comp it, it's definitely worth it. It teaches you all the basics that you need for Scrum. You learn a lot about, product owners, developers, Scrum Masters, as well as how to become Scrum Master, basically. It's something that you can put on your resume. There's a certification that you can include on your LinkedIn, and it's just something that's widely recognized and acknowledged. It's a pretty simple and easy training and course, and there's a lot of value that you learn in it if Scrum is something you guys do in your career or something you want to do. And you can renew your Scrum Master certification every year, and so you can have your Scrum Master cert forever if you wanted to. So that was all the information that I had about my Scrum Master certification and experience. If you guys are thinking about doing it or digging into the process of getting the certification, I highly recommend that you guys try it. I thought it was really easy. It was a little bit time consuming, but just a weekend or Monday through Friday, whatever you guys choose to do. Wishing you guys all the best. If you guys found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!